Hello everybody. Um, I always wanted to make a video about certain tips or tweaks that you can apply to your machine. For different reasons, it might be quite handy. This is something I learned a long time ago. I needed to hide software that was installed in the machine. But as you know, every time you go to control panel, programs. I know this works on a Windows XP because that's what I first did it, and this works on Windows 7, so I'm sure it also works on Vista. So when you come here to the list of installed programs, um, you see you see the programs that are installed. Back in the day, I really needed to hide a certain program. I didn't want anybody to know it was there. It was for security reasons. So I had to find a way to do it, and this is how you do it. Um, but let me warn you that this is a very dangerous thing to do. We're going to be working with the Registry Editor. That's something you'd want to mess with if you don't know what you're doing. I usually like to see it as a brain surgery. If you touch the wrong thing, you can mess up pretty bad, and there's no way back. In my case, my machine has a software that allows me to every time I reboot it, it goes back to the original state. So whatever change I make is not permanent. So and anyway, this video is just for educational purposes. Um, okay, let's go see and let's find out how to do it. Okay, you want to go to start and then run. I'm sorry, open the wrong one. Run, and then you want to start. You want to type what do you see there? Regedit. Enter. You're going to say yes. Okay. This thing was already open because I was testing it. So, okay. You want to go to the following location. You go to local machine. You want to go down to software. Down here to Microsoft. This is the tab you have to open right here. Again, Microsoft. Windows. Right here. And then current version, and then down to uninstall. When you click on uninstall, you see all the things you have there on the list of programs you have installed in your machine. So for example, in my case, I already erased TeamViewer 5. So as you can see, um, it only shows I have TeamViewer 6, but actually I also have TeamViewer 5. I already deleted it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete TeamViewer 6 as well, so it will show up in the list right here. It's gonna be gone from here. So okay, we come here, and then when you select it, the one you want to delete, in this case is TeamViewer 6. Go ahead and on the right side you're gonna see it says display name. Okay, you go there and you delete it. You say you want to delete it, yes. Okay, now we go ahead and we close the editor. We close the control panel. We open it again. Well, not the control panel, but the programs and features. So we scroll down, and now we see that TeamViewer is completely gone. See, it's completely gone. It's not well, it doesn't show like as installed in the machine. It just disappears from the list, so nobody's able to tell that. Well, at plain view, nobody's able to tell that it's installed in the computer. Like I said, this thing can come quite handy, for the different purposes. This is something that you might need. I don't know, depending on what situation. Again, please, if you're gonna do this, be very careful. if you want to experiment, you can back up your files and system and everything. You can even, I believe, you can be import and save all the keys that you can restore later if you want to have it back again there. So yeah, go ahead and have fun, but just be careful. All right.